Ningbo is a time-honored city of more than 7,000 years. As the second-largest deep-water harbor and international trade port, the modernized city has established good reputations all over the world. As a diversified, centralized, and internationalized capital of brands, Ningbo HIGHSUN Machinery Company Limited is located in Ningbo City, the capital of plastics machinery. HIGHSUN Company is one of the leading and professional plastic injection molding machine manufacturers and exporters in China. We are working in plastic injection molding machines more than 30 years, and it has accumulated rich experience in technology, management, high quality, marketing, and excellent after-sales service. For these years, it always insists on the business philosophy of to be excellent, to build perfectly, to work hard and forge ahead, while steadily stepping into international market. HIGHSUN Machinery has developed into a modernized manufacturer which covers an area of over 70,000 square meters, with a building area of over 50,000 square meters. At present, it has over 300 employees, more than 10 departments focusing on manufacturing and management, and an annual product capacity of over 5,000 injection machines, integrated with manufacturing, surface treatment, assembling, and debugging. HIGHSUN Machinery pays great attention to technological innovation. By active introduction and absorption of advanced technology, it boosts the innovation capacity. With over 40 professional technicians, 8 senior engineers and developers, personnel training plan, and high proportion of research funds, the company has achieved a lot in technology. Over the past 3 years, HIGHSUN Machinery has obtained 16 municipal new product and technology projects, 2 patents for invention, 11 patents for utility models. As early as the year of 2008, its injection machines were awarded the Ningbo Famous Brand Products. In 2012, its several products were listed in National Energy Saving Products Inventory. Moreover, the company won titles as the 3rd place of top 10 enterprises in Ningbo Plastic Machinery Industry 2012, the Executive Council member of China Plastics Machinery Industry Association, the key high-tech enterprise supported by the state, and famous trademark enterprise of Zhejiang Province. HIGHSUN Machinery has established standard processing workshop with a large-scale horizontal machining center, the large-scale coordinate measuring machine, and over 110 sets of equipment on processing and test. The product's quality is guaranteed by complete numerical control, high precision, and high efficiency. Meanwhile, the outlook of the complete machine is improved by the establishment of mobile painting room. The assembling of accessories, parts, and complete machine can be realized on large-scale and high-efficiency platforms. HIGHSUN Machinery holds the quality principle of customer first, high quality first. Under the instruction of ISO 9001-2008, it practices standard business process, strict project management, 6S management, and ERP system. Focusing on every detail in all processes, it works with delicacy and zero defects. It is the comprehensive training system and regular meeting system at all administrative levels that ensure its high efficient work and delivery without error. Each product of HIGHSUN Machinery will be tested according to requirements that are higher than that of national standards before delivery so as to achieve 100% qualification. Regularly, The company actively asks for China Plastic Machinery Quality Supervision and Inspection Center to inspect its products to further guarantee their quality. At present, HIGHSUN machinery has small-sized direct hydraulic clap series, middle-sized connecting rod series, and the large-sized two-platen injection molding machine series with clamping forces from 50 to 3,000 tons and accepts special required orders from customers. Its products feature high injection pressure and fine plasticizing and are applicable to injection molding of all kinds of engineering plastics. HXF Standard Injection Molding Machine, HXW Variable Pump Injection Molding Machine, HXM Servo System Injection Molding Machine, Two-Platen Injection Molding Machine, HXS a Mixed Two-Color Injection Molding Machine, HXSH Mixed Two-Color Injection Molding Machine, PET Special Injection Molding Machine, Light Guide Plate Injection Molding Machine, Oil Electric Hybrid Injection Molding Machine. Based on the high quality and professional service, HIGHSUN brand injection molding machines are in active demand not only in China market, but also sold to more than 40 countries in North America, South America, Europe, Asia, and Africa. The company has established a sales department and foreign trade department for domestic and international customers respectively. We are also providing various special plastic injection molding machines according to the customer's different requirements. HIGHSUN machinery has a complete pre-sales, in-sales, and after-sales service system and has a service center with the sale line number 400-711-8688 so as to meet all kinds of consulting, demanding, and complaints from customers. It can also provide one-on-one full service according to customized requirement. Its high-quality and high-efficiency service team is ready to respond quickly and solve problems for you. Holding the business purpose of advanced along the way of science and technology, manufacture high-grade machines, and stress the management principle of people-oriented, HIGHSUN machinery keeps the building of a harmonious enterprise culture. It has built a recreational and sports center for its staff. Employees are organized to take trips and practice cultural activities at regular intervals in order to increase the cohesive force of enterprise. Open our eyes to the whole world and look forward to the future. Combat against the waves and soar over the sky. As the manufacturer who pursues high-performance injection molding machines, Ningbo HIGHSUN Machinery Company Limited is never satisfied with past achievements. The spirit of to be excellent, to build perfectly pushes the staff of HIGHSUN Machinery to start. The company will bring brand strategy into force, deepen strict management, improve the executive ability comprehensively, integrate domestic and foreign resources actively, and create business corporate mode. An international and attractive brand in plastics machinery is coming into being. A popular HIGHSUN is rising and being strong.